We've all had bad hair days, and they are never fun. Without the right care, an otherwise beautiful head of hair can become dull, flat, and unmanageable. Gorgeous hair starts with a healthy scalp. dōTERRA Salon Essentials Protecting Shampoo gently cleanses and detoxifies the hair follicles and scalp, removing impurities that will otherwise dull your natural shine. Safe for color-treated hair, it's also designed to reduce styling damage and shorten styling time. Comparable to a high-end spa formulation designed for all hair types, dōTERRA Protecting Shampoo contains plant extracts, gentle cleansers, and key essential oils of wild orange and lime that give your hair a gentle lather and leave your hair smelling fresh and clean. dōTERRA Salon Essentials Protecting Conditioner nourishes your hair with rich botanicals and a dozen essential oils known for their beneficial effects on hair and scalp. The formula is designed to reduce the appearance of split ends and protect against future damage. Botanical extracts maintain color and add protection while eliminating static for a smooth, finished look.